Yeah, hi everyone. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. I got all the modifications done about 4 months ago, and then I got the tune done as well. But sorry, I couldn't upload the video. So finally got that chance. So here we have it. So looking at it, so this is how the engine looks like. So from the top, you can see the air water intercooler there, the air intake, and then there's the factory turbo there. The actuator. I got the Kinugawa one, and then the boost solenoid, top feed fuel conversion, fuel pressure regulator, blow valves sitting right over there, and also I got the spark plugs changed as well to one step colder ones, the HKS one, and I think I got a couple of more as well, but check the description. I'll include all the modification I done, and also at the end of the video you'll see the final results of the dyno tune as well. After this video I'll do another one on actual street run as well, do a couple of pulls on all the gears and show you how it really feels. Well, thanks guys.